In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell digital products on Amazon. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up a web browser and simply go to Amazon. So if you want to sell digital products on Amazon, you're not going to go to their primary website, which is the Amazon.com, because this will take you to their Amazon online store where you can browse items and products that you want to buy. So let's say for now I want to sell or upload a digital ebook. So I'm going to use an ebook as my digital product. So what I'm going to do is simply go to kdp.amazon.com. And from here you can create, manage, and publish your ebook design. So as you can see, just simply log into your Amazon account right here. Let's go to kdp.amazon.com and log in with your account. So KDP means Kindle Direct Publishing. So this is the website of Amazon for books or digital books. As you can see, once you create a book, it will show up here in your bookshelf. Also, we can just simply click here on create. But before that, we're going to create our design in Canva. So first, let us check the print options of the ebooks for Amazon KDP. So as you can see right here, the most common trim size for books in the US is 6 by 9 or 152.4 by 228.6 millimeters. So this is already in inches form, so we can just simply edit that out in Canva. So I'm just going to use Canva as my editing tool. Also, if you don't want to use the 6 by 9 size, you can always check the table right here. So let's now go to Canva. From here, let's just select custom size. Now 6 for width and 9 for height. And let's just select inches. 6, 9. Let's create a new design. Now from here, let's just search templates for coloring books. But of course, you can always choose your own design. So I'm just going to show you an example. So let's say I'm going to upload or create a coloring ebook. So of course, there should be templates available right here in Canva. So let's say I want to use this template. And as you can see, I have already added all of the pages. This is how it should look like. But of course, if you don't want to use the template itself or the normal template, you can always make edits to your ebook. So let's say this coloring book, you can just simply add some elements. So let's say flower. Let's say we want to add this here just to make it like a unique. Well, of course, it still depends on you. Also, as you can see right here, this is already the ebook that I am going to be uploading. But it still depends on you if you want a coloring book or a real ebook that you have personally custom designed. So let's say I'm already done editing my ebook right here. What you want to do now is simply click here on share, click on download, file type, make it PDF standard or PDF print. So I think PDF print is best for ebooks, but I'm just going to use PDF standard. Now click on download and just wait for it to be downloaded. Now that the download is complete, let's just go back to Amazon KDP. Now from here, let's click on create. And from here, you'll be asked, what would you like to create? So we want to upload an ebook. So let's just click here on create ebook. Now you'll need to enter the Kindle ebook details, such as the book title, subtitle, series, edition number. So this is just optional. Author, so it would be your name. Contributors you can add, so also optional, and the book description. You also have this publishing rights settings right here, primary audience, primary marketplace, categories, keywords, also optional, and pre-order. So let's just edit this. So let's say the book title is Dino's World because the coloring book is about dinosaurs. Coloring book. So add series. Now edition number. So let's just create a series first. So main content. Let's go to series setup. Coloring book. So the description is just optional. Let's just submit the updates. Now let's go back. Now edition number. So only optional, depends on you. And our name. Contributors, only optional. And the description of your book. So let's just say a coloring book for dinosaur lovers. Also the publishing rights, you can just select this here. Primary audience, is this sexually explicit image or title? So no. Reading age is only optional. Primary marketplace, just select Amazon. And the categories, let's just select children's ebooks. So I think this, just click on save. Now you can choose keywords right here, also only optional. Now let's just save and continue. Now we want to, oh, we need to add categories. Hold on. Now we're here in the content details. So we can add a manuscript. So you want to add your PDF that you have downloaded. Say this. Continue with PDF. Just wait for it to upload. Now that our design is uploaded right here, you can also check this setting. Now you want to simply add your ebook cover. So again, you can just simply create it, edit it in Canva. It's the same as how we created our ebook. Now, is it AI generated? So we can choose yes or no. Kindle ebook preview. You can also launch the preview right here. And also the Kindle ebook ISBN. So also this is just optional. Now, if you're already done with all of the details right here, you can simply click here and save and continue and proceed with the next step, which is the pricing. So after that, I won't be continuing with that because my account is not fully activated. So if you're done, just click here and save and continue and proceed with the pricing. Create pricing with your ebook and just wait for Amazon to approve your ebook. So they will be checking your ebook if it meets their standards and their policies. So just wait for it to be uploaded and be approved by Amazon. And basically, that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.